Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today's video I'm going to be sharing another skincare product, and it's a Korean brand and it's a face cream. So this one from Dr. Jart. So it's a Cicapair Intensive Soothing Repair Gel Cream. Okay, so this one is a lot of good reviews. It has glycerin, niacinamide, and then centella shiitake extract. Okay, so I'll show you the texture look like, and also I've been using this now for a few days. And what does it look like? If you can see that, I've already used it. It should look like it looks heavy, but it's not sticky on the skin, and also not heavy on the skin. I'll show you. See, it glides easy. This product, it hydrates and moisturizes my skin, and also soothes my skin. It's soothing on the skin. See? So if you have a dry skin, this one is good. See? It plumps my skin also. And also doesn't have a smell. There you go. See? It's nice. I like this product. And also said if you have redness, this one also good. It says that it's soothing. It soothes your redness. There. So I use this daily. There you go. Always do a patch test first though. Make sure you have no allergic reaction, because every skin is different. There, see, you see the glow. You see the glow on my skin. Nice. So when I use this in the daytime, I also use sunscreen. There you go. So that's the product from Dr. Jart. Cicapair Intensive Soothing Repair Gel Cream. It's nice. Okay, so hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.